Imagine waking up to this. Coffee in hand or tea, birds singing and the sound of water at your doorstep.
Welcome to your private oasis in Loomis, 4 acres of pure tranquility, complete with your own pond.
This is where country charm meets elegance. 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, nearly 4,300 square foot. Come check out this beautiful estate.
Ready to escape to Loomis and want the perfect blend of luxury and nature?
Reach out to us for a private showing.